The Valley of Flowers is a little known valley located in North India on the way up to the base area of the Himalayan mountain range. This Valley of Flowers is rich in varied flora and fauna. This beautiful Valley of Flowers was declared as the National Park of India in the year 1982, and it is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The virgin beauty of this mystical valley has always lured botanists, nature lovers and adventure lovers. At the Valley of Flowers, you are blessed with numerous cascading waterfalls, cool water springs, silvery glaciers and nature in harmony. It has verdant hills covered with pine, oak trees and gushing streams. The Valley of Flowers changes its colors throughout the flowering season from May to October, has blooms of hundreds of different flowers, take on various colors and shades with the passage of time. It is a much sought destination for flower lovers, botanists, trekkers, photographers, bird watchers and wildlife photographers. Apart from the locals, this valley is very popular among international tourists as thousands of foreigners flock to the Valley of Flowers every year. The Valley of Flowers is open to public on 1st June every year and closes at the end of October every year. Though the valley is beautifully throughout the flowering season, the maximum number of flowers in July and August make this the most preferred months for visitors. Tourists should inquire about the weather and road conditions, especially during the monsoon, before planning the trip to the Valley of Flowers. It takes 5 to 8 hours to explore the valley. And now, let me share the history of the Valley of Flowers. In the year 1931, three young British mountaineers, Frank S. Smith, Eric Shipton and R.L. Holsworth, went astray from the path while descending from Mount Kemet. The group accidentally reached a valley which was blanketed with elephant flowers, and they were left in the awe of its beauty, thus naming it the Valley of Flowers. One of the climbers, Frank S. Smith, later wrote a book called The Valley of Flowers. The Valley of Flowers is one of the most beautiful valleys in the world. It has more than 500 species of flowers and plants. The valley changes its color every 15 days throughout the season, and it's also rich with a variety of birds and butterflies. The Valley of Flowers is one of the most searched places to visit in Uttarakhand, India. There's more to it than just being a valley with flowers. The Valley of Flowers is located in Chamoli district. It is off the road to a famous Sikh shrine in Hemkot, a high point in the icy hills which attracts Sikh pilgrims during its opening months. The stunning landscape, the rare and diverse flora and fauna is a dream come true for nature lovers. The whole area of the Valley of Flowers is so captivating that you will want to spend more time to enjoy its beauty. Each part of the valley has its own special features, and a day isn't enough to capture the beauty of this wonderful valley. Trekking to the Valley of Flowers helps you to get away and spend quality time in nature. The Valley of Flowers provides the much needed space for people who love solitude, and nature is always a lovely companion. There's no pollution at all. Everything looks great, especially the aroma of flowers, the refreshing air and the ever-giving nature, all beautifully blended together to let you have the time of your life. If you're traveling in North India, the Valley of Flowers is a place you really shouldn't miss. Please welcome to the Valley of Flowers.